Hi, my name is Janet Smith. Today I'll be showing you how to export test data from the Scepter 3.0 instrument. There are two ways to export test data. The first is to use a USB flash drive that is formatted to FAT32 or to a computer over a Wi-Fi network. Insert the USB flash drive into the Scepter 3.0 USB port. From the main menu, Exporting Data, select One or Export All and press OK. Histograms will be displayed on the screen and image, PNG, and data CSV files are exported. Export is complete when the successful file transfer Remove USB flash drive shows on the screen. Remove the USB flash drive and press OK to return to the main Histogram Explorer screen. Option 2. The Scepter 3.0 hosts its own web page, allowing users to download test data wirelessly. To export data, a wireless network broadcasting at 2.4 GHz, a Wi-Fi configuration file downloaded to a USB flash drive, a PC, Mac, or Unix computer connected to a Wi-Fi network, and the Scepter 3.0 instrument are needed. To connect to the Wi-Fi network, turn on your Wi-Fi. From the main menu, select Settings and press the OK button. Select Wi-Fi and press the OK button. Press the OK button, and it will begin searching for networks. The display will list available networks within range. Scroll to desired network and press the OK button. When prompted, insert the USB flash drive into the Scepter 3.0 instrument USB port containing the credential file for the Wi-Fi configuration. When connection is complete, the screen will confirm successful connection. Press the OK button to return to the settings menu and remove the USB flash drive. Obtain the Scepter 3.0 IP address. From the main menu, select Help, About, and scroll to find numbers. In our case, it's 192.168.1.19. Confirm the Scepter 3.0 is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the computer. From the computer, open the Internet browser and type the Scepter 3.0 IP address in the address bar and press Enter. The current data on the Scepter 3.0 instrument will be displayed. Scroll to desired histogram, click to download CSV data and PNG image files to the computer. To disconnect from the communication, close the browser or computer or power off the Scepter 3.0 by holding the menu button down for several seconds.